Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I am bringing you, let me grab it because you guys are not going to believe it. Today we are reviewing the Wet n Wild X SpongeBob the SquarePants collection. Oh my goodness. Let's focus here. Come on. Look at how adorable this is. Okay, so Wet n Wild obviously collabed with the maker, whatever, they came out with a collection of SpongeBob the SquarePants, which is so iconic. Obviously it's empty now because I've taken it all out, but today I decided to sit down, test every single product on my face, and give you my honest thoughts, a review, and to let you know if this collection is worth, hello, can we focus, if this collection is worth you trying. I've seen this at Walmart, so I know some of you might be curious, and here is a review for you. So with that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into this Wet n Wild X SpongeBob the SquarePants collection. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into it. I haven't been wearing makeup for the past like 2 days just because, y'all, coming back from trips in your 30s is another level, okay? I've been trying to catch on my sleep. I've been trying to catch up on my sleep. I've been cleaning. I've been putting my makeup away, and I swear it takes me even longer. Okay, so I'm still trying to get back into the rhythm of things. Also, if you notice, I am missing a nail. Yesterday I went to, so I've been walking every day, right? Trying to lose weight. And my dog, Cosmo, saw another dog and they both started like running to each other. And I was afraid they were going to fight. So I tried to pull him back hard and I had a bunch of things on my hand and I couldn't, and my fingernail snapped. It didn't hurt, thankfully, but now it's time to redo my nails. Let me know if I should go short or should I keep them long, because long is such a vibe. Anyways, enough chit-chatting. Let's get into this packaging. First of all, oh my goodness, tell me this is not the cutest packaging ever. Look at this. It is huge. The Wet n Wild SpongeBob SquarePants collection. I'm pretty sure I've seen this at Walmart now, but they sent me the entire collection and we're gonna go through everything, okay? Okay, so first things first, the Underwater Wonder blush. Ooh, this is a liquid blush in the shade Rockstar, which has Patrick Star. It's a really cute pink. We have the Double the Fun liquid eyeliner and stamp. So it comes with one side eyeliner and the other side is a cute little like flower stamp, whatever flower they use like in the SpongeBob theme, you know, that little like, I don't know, whatever flower that is. And I think this is in the shade Parties Here. I don't know if it's green or black, but I think it's going to be a green one. Then we have a Splash On Mascara, which is a waterproof mascara. That's nice. I've been actually really into waterproof mascaras lately, so I'm excited to try that. We have 3 lip oils. This is called the Bikini Bottom lip oil. This is in the shade I'm Ready, which is SpongeBob's iconic phrase. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready, 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 ready. I'm ready. It's a really pretty yellow. And then we have I Wombo, You Wombo. Oh my gosh, Patrick is like my favorite. I swear he's like my spirit animal star. This one is super cute. It's like a purpley color. And the last one's called Thar She Blows. Thar She Blows. And this is Mr. Crab. It comes with a really cute lash curler and it comes with a little like a little SpongeBob, what is it? Like little, it's almost like a little keychain and a lash curler. We have the Squidward little we have the Squidward sponge. It comes with stickers which are really cute. It comes with the Kelp Shake setting mist. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like it's green, but I'm pretty sure it's not green. It's just the packaging. Obviously it's SpongeBob. We have a very pretty eyeshadow palette. I need to grab some scissors so I can open this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. It is blue themed, which Seems appropriate for SpongeBob with the yellow. I mean, it's underwater, so I like that. And then the last thing that it comes with is the Always Looking Up mirror and keychain set. That is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it. That is the mirror. Look at how adorable, and that's actually really good quality. Like, it's not a plastic mirror, and it comes with this little keychain. I think these two together are just super cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just do my foundation and everything off camera since we don't really have anything to try base wise, but I will be back to try out the blush with y'all, and then we're going to set the skin together to see if this truly works. I'm really excited to try out the eyeshadow palette because this just looks stunning. Like, the colors I know are going to be amazing because Wet n Wild does not disappoint. So I'll be back in just one quick second. I had to change my outfit really quick. Well, I had to just change. I was still in my jammies. Anyways, let's go in with the blush. So I'm going to try and give you prices. Hopefully I remember. But the Underwater Wonder Liquid Blush is retailing for $7.98. And again, this is in the shade Rockstar, which is just a really pretty pink. Oh, that is actually quite vibrant. I thought it was going to be a little more pale, but I am here for that color. I am going to blend it out with a brush just because I want this to be as pigmented as it possibly can be, and I'm just going to use the same brush that I used for my foundation and my bronzer. Ooh, okay. So this is definitely giving a little dewy finish, and it's more on the sheer side, which is fine because you can always build up colors like this. I feel like if you are pale to very light skin tone, this might show up on you a little bit better. The other colors that they have available are a bit darker. It is pretty, but it's not really showing up too much on my skin. Let's go in with a second layer to see if we can build this up. I'm gonna add just a little more. I mean, it's definitely, like, you can see it, right? But I thought it was going to be very, very pigmented, which is fine. I think I'm just so used to, like, liquid blushes like this being extremely pigmented. You know what I mean? Like, every single blush shade nowadays is like bam on pigment, which is not always ideal for everybody, and I totally get that. I'm not seeing the setting spray on their page on its own. It's only part of the PR box, so I am unsure of the price of this, but we're gonna go ahead and set. Now, this on the back says that shake to activate your dual face formula and experience an instantly dewy finish that keeps you makeup in place. Ooh, dewy. It's a little scary. Okay, I powder my face a lot though for this reason, so let's go ahead and set. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. So I do feel a difference. It did take away that, like, feeling that the powder gives. But I'm not seeing, like, the dewiness that this setting spray claims to have. So I don't know. It's not bad. We'll see if it keeps the makeup in place. But yeah, for me, it's not dewy at all. I have zoomed you guys in, and we're going to get started with the eyes. So if you've been following me on Instagram, I've been posting or reposting my old looks from like 4, 5, 6 years ago. And I came across one that I was like, ooh, I need to recreate that. So that's what we're going to do today. Obviously using the SpongeBob palette. This is called the Fun Eye and Face Palette. Iconic. That song is iconic. Okay, let's get into it. my look is done, and oh my gosh, y'all, Wet n Wild did it again with the collection. Super cute, super pigmented, super easy to blend, not chalky whatsoever. The glitter is so pretty. I am impressed yet again. We're not surprised. Okay, we're gonna try out the eyeliner. This is the Parties Here Double the Fun Liquid Eyeliner and Stamp. Now, I'm not going to do the stamp because I am taking Lincoln later to Chick-fil-A. They're doing this like ice cream party. You know, Chick-fil-A does some fun stuff. Oh my gosh, this is green. I am going to look so crazy. Maybe we're going to skip out on the eyeliner, y'all. I don't know that I want to wear green eyeliner. That's a little too much. That's definitely fun. And it does bleed, so that's low-key kind of cute though. Like, look at that. It's a little flower stamp. I mean, these could be cute for like your kids, but I don't know about green liner, especially with this bold look that I have. I think I'm just gonna recurl my lashes and apply the mascara. So let's go in with the Dive Deep Mascara. Again, this is waterproof. I personally prefer a more dry formula when it comes to my mascaras, but that's just personal preference. I feel like those give you the best length and volume. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. These lashes are the ones for today. I think these are going to go really pretty with the eye look. I got these off of the Amazon, the TikTok shop. If I can link them, I will link them. But yeah, I'm going to apply lashes, and then we're going to finish off the face with the lip oils. Alright guys, I had to step aside to do my hair. I just straightened it because honestly, I was not in the mood to curl it or do anything else. The last things we're going to try out are the lip oils, which honestly I think are my favorite because of the charm. Look at how adorable that is. You cannot tell me that it's not cute. So I'm going to swatch them. This is the Thar. She blows. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to think of a... Oh my gosh, that's really pretty of the reference, but... Okay, so these have a light smell, as you can see, that is quite icy and blue. I'm Ready is more of a pineapple golden color. That's pretty gold. Oh my gosh, I'm actually kind of surprised that these are as pigmented as they are. Also, let me know if the light is too bright on the back. It's my window, and because I'm sitting right in front of it, you know, the light just goes directly through. So let me know if I need to close my blinds. I feel like it's a little bright. The last one is I Wumbo, You Wumbo. I swear, I love Patrick Star. He's such an airhead, just like me. So with that said, I think I'm going to go with the safest one, which is the SpongeBob Bikini Bottom Lip Oil. This is a cooling lip oil, so let's see about that. That is so satisfying. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That feels nice. Definitely smells like pineapple. I'm not really getting... Oh, that's tingly. That is definitely tingly. I'm not really getting the lip oil. This definitely feels more like a lip gloss because it is a little bit thicker. Y'all, I just cannot get over the packaging on these lip oils. Like, I don't even care that they're not an actual lip oil. They're more glossy. I'm going to throw one in my purse. I'm going to throw one in my car. I'm going to throw one in my bag. Well, I already said bag, but maybe two in my bag. They're so cute. So that is a full review on the Wet n Wild X SpongeBob collection. So what do we think? What are our thoughts? Oh, excuse me. First thing I recommend is the eyeshadow palette. I cannot believe that these are only a few dollars. Wet n Wild truly does not miss. Also, let me know if I should do a full face of Wet n Wild because I haven't done that, I don't think, ever, and that would be super fun. As you can see, the eyeshadow look, mwah, chef's kiss. The blush, I thought I liked it. I like the color, I like the concept, but it just wasn't colorful or bright enough for me, and I have other blushes that perform a little bit better. It's cute, but for me, it's just too sheer. I would also personally pass on the eyeliner, not because it's bad, because honestly, it's still on here. I just smudged it with lip gloss, but it's still on here. So this is going to stay in, but this is just not a color that I can see myself gravitating towards. But if you love exploring with your eyeliner, then I think this is a great one. I would also personally pass on the Splash On mascara. I didn't really feel like it did anything. I do have to say though that if you already have long lashes and you're just looking for a mascara to keep your lashes like perky after you've curled them, this is it, because it kept my lashes curled even with me curling them. Obviously the lip oils slash lip glosses for me are a 10 out of 10. I think these are just beautiful. I love the minty feel to them, but it's not burning. And then the setting spray was nice. I mean, it really didn't do much for my skin, but it did take that like powdery feeling from my skin. So I think that is everything that I tried out. I honestly wasn't very interested in the sponge. Like the shape just doesn't seem appealing to me, so I didn't try it out because of that. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little review slash tutorial of the Wet n Wild X SpongeBob SquarePants collection. Let me know if you're picking up anything from this collection, what caught your eye, and share with me in the comments what you're picking up, if anything. With that said, I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!